Fuck going on? What's up, YouTube? For some reason, I can't go live on Instagram. What are we talking about here? But I don't wanna be right. Give me a second to get set up here, y'all. I'm gonna mute all of you guys. You can unmute yourself, but way too many people unmuted. Holy shit. It's kind of scary. All right, YouTube, can you guys hear me? Let me know. Put a one in the chat or some shit, and then we can get to cooking here. Plug. What's up, Paul? How are you, brother? 111. All right, cool. Morning, Paul. Yes. All right, what's up, y'all? Welcome to fucking Zen Lab. We are going hard as shit all month, so I have nothing booked on the plans besides my mother coming to visit me like next week, and so every single day, 5 days a week, and VIP, we will be going live and going hard. I know we usually do, but through tons of traveling and enjoying the fruits of my labor, I've kind of been back and forth with this shit. Not this month, baby. So if you guys need to capitalize on capital, bring your funded accounts up, get a fucking funded account, bring your challenges to a funded phase. This is definitely the place to be. I'm good, mate. Thank you. And you? Yeah. All right. Anyway, so check it out. 4 hour time frame on US 30. Let's keep it all of the bucks. All right. 100% today and no capping. I don't like price action at all today, to be completely honest. Like looking at 4 hour time frame, and I won't even speak of, we're currently reacting off of 4 hour support, and so I simply expect price to continue higher up to this 4 hour resistance. I want to talk about what I don't like about this setup and what I haven't liked about this setup since 512, pretty much the middle of last month, is we're sitting at this major structure point, this lower high. Once we break above this lower high, we're ungodly bullish, and I simply expect us to come to all-time highs again. But if we continue to hold at this high, even though we've kind of swept liquidity here, I'm just really uncertain as far as buys or sells go. Let me just keep it a buck with you guys. Very uncertain within this level right here. So hopefully this week or the start of this week, we can start to get some momentum. I don't really care if it's bullish or bearish. I am not too biased right now. To start to push us out of this insane consolidation range, and to start to push to new lows and the crash continues, or to start to push past this lower high and somehow fucking Trump is going to push us to all-time highs again, whatever. But in this area, there's just a ton of indecision. Obviously, it's not from just me. All of us are fucking indecisive. And that's why the past couple days even, it's just like, price is not going anywhere, dude. It's every time it tries to push up to new highs, comes back within the range. Every time it tries to push down to new lows, comes back within the range. So we got to play off of that. It is what it is. But if we don't get some solid fucking setup, we'll just sit on our hands and move on to the next day type shit. Goal is before August, so need to be passed. Yeah, bro, I'm glad you're still sticking to that goal too. What's good, Ivan? Yeah. And then lastly, before I get into lower time frames, everybody on Instagram, if you guys can hear me, put a fucking one in the chat, bro, so I know you guys can hear me over there and shit. I know it's a ridiculous lag, but let me know. Because on my side, it shows that I'm not even moving or anything. Like, it's fucking frozen. So, I don't know. Anyways, let's break this down time frame to time frame, okay? So, 4 hour time frame. Yes, we are bullish, but we're sitting at that lower high point. So, kind of a tough area of decision, okay? When we go down a lower time frame, let's say this 30-minute time frame, to try to find some type of structure to play off of based upon this higher time frame bias. This 30-minute was a very prevalent zone. It didn't mean anything here. It didn't mean anything here. But once we broke above it and then started a retest here for that third major reaction, that's when I put it on my radar. Like, okay, this is an area of rejection that we could potentially play off of as kind of a bias pushing up to next highs and shit. So now here we are. I'll go down a lower time frame so it makes a bit more sense. Like, yeah, we're reacting off of this very prevalent area, reaction here. As soon as we break below, we come back and retest it, come back and retest it, come back and retest, and look at us now. Now that we broke above it again, we're kind of starting to hold here. But again, bro, I want everybody to understand, this is just while we're sitting in this fucking range. Yes, I'm going to be trading, but if we risk if we risk $1,000 per trade, usually on whatever the fuck your plan is, this would not be the week to start risking 1,500, 2K. Okay, we'll just put it that way. All right, anyway, so go down to 5 minute time frame. How can we capitalize based off of this? Well, same shit as always. Kind of trying to look at previous session highs and lows and what's happened from these point. We've already violated London highs sitting up here. Looked like we were starting to push lower, not just from violating London highs, but sitting at this 30-minute resistance too. But boom, didn't happen. Price ended up having a bread and butter setup here by just re-breaking those newfound highs. And ever since we have, we're fucking holding, bro. I mean, I definitely don't mind buys for sure. So as long as we're holding above this level, I'm definitely going to be looking for buys. Kind of don't want to take these exterior highs, but we definitely have a range of fill coming up to the tops. As far as sells go now, like, bro, I need some serious confirmation. This is what I would like to happen. Price for the hold right here. We've already broken below this low here. I mean, session isn't open, so it is what it is. But price to continue to hold here. And then once session opens up, potentially get a minor break to fake out all sellers, whatever. And then that's when newfound structure comes into play. Whatever newfound support holds and we continue lower, from this point, I'll go ahead and take the trade. I'm not going to sell into this support until we get some unforgivable evidence that we're going to continue lower. All right. Noted. Good to know for me. Yeah, for sure. Jaime, for sure. Yeah. Just kind of an interesting area. So now let's go on a 4-hour time frame for NAS too. Kind of same shit, but a little bit more trending, as NAS has been honestly for the past like 2 weeks, bro. Like we're fucking trending. So same thing, reacting off a 4-hour resistance, and just expect price to come all the way up to 4-hour support. Expect price to come all the way up to 4-hour resistance, and it did. And so on 4-hour, we're currently reacting off of this 4-hour resistance here, not 4-hour support, and completely different dynamics with this pair, which is kind of interesting to me. Like this was the lower high here that we've been fighting with. And as soon as we broke above these highs, it was like very cautious to take any type of buys from this area as soon as we broke above highs, because more often than not, we can expect consolidating nasty environments in markets when we come up to 4-hour structure points, which is just lower high and lower low. And that's what happened. Consolidation, sideways movement, nasty, kind of the same exact thing that kind of formed on US 30. I guess we can call it a head and shoulders here. But once price did break out of that range, which is what we're literally waiting for on US 30 to take out of bearish structure, off to the moon, bro. Price has been fucking sending it. Now that we hit all the way up to this 4-hour resistance, it's just kind of tough for me to expect anything further beyond this point. Okay, so going to lower time frames, figuring out what we can do. It's damn near the same thing, bro. Like we just don't have clean price action here. So I don't have the cleanest of trades to take as far as whatever the fuck this is here today. So same thing. Previous session highs just got violated here. As soon as we took it out, we came right back within the range. And it looked like price kind of pushed up. It did. It came up for a bread and butter setup and rejected again. And we're just sitting in a nasty ass range, bro. Oh my God. Okay, so let me see if we can fit anything up. Almost have third tap on 15-minute trend line for US 30. I'll go check that out here in a second. We do have our third trend line tap here, first tap here, second tap here, third tap here, and so we can use this as part of our bias. We've already grabbed previous session highs, and so like, I honestly, bro, I may just get a little risky here and take a break below these lows. Sitting right here, it would be nice when session opens to kind of hold here. Come down, hold here for Paul's trend lines, last fucking hold, and then send it below these lows. But I'm good to take this sell-off all the way down to London lows, which is a nice little 70-point range of fill. 25-point stop loss, we're kind of chilling there. Okay, so let's get ready. What's up? How's everybody doing? How was your weekend and shit, bro? I had a crazy fucking weekend. You guys might find out today. I'm surprised nobody's found out yet. I had a crazy fucking weekend. Clean, this is so clean. Perfect 1 to 3 coming down to lows here. Okay, I'm gonna go to split screen. So NAS is gonna be on the left-hand side, and then US 30 is gonna be on the right-hand side. US 30 is starting to hold that level that we're speaking about, which I fucking love, bro. Really, really love that. And then we have news at 10 o'clock. What is it? Oh, PMI today. Interesting. Okay. PMI today is at 10 o'clock. So really trying to get us in before that. and then potentially just be out during it or be in heavy profit, or else I'm just gonna remove myself in full before the news release. US30 news coming, yeah. I'm just waiting for gold. I will look for Nas today. Did you dye your hair? What do you do, brother? Crazy shit, brother. Let me get my shit ready real quick. Give me a sec. Tart. What you talking about, bro? Paul, you're looking very elegant today. What, bro? Weekend was chill. Hung out with the family by the river. Yeah, for sure. I hung out by the river too. Do I get a free account on Wednesday? I'm gonna go with yes. Yeah. I like that 6K payout. Yeah, so I'm gonna let's keep it a buck here. So we got Session Open. I fucked up with that, bro. When they do the 6% max payout, that's 6% max payout, not before the split, after the split. So you guys can make 12% and get paid out 6. I fucked that up. I know there was a couple people asking me about that. I fucked that up, bro. I messed up the rules. You guys can get 12% the first month and get paid half of that. You feel what I'm saying? I fucked that up big time. Okay, so same thing here. Look what we got going on before session opens. So price is now pushed below that newfound support we found. And so now any support we find, bro, I'll go ahead and take it. Good to go. Okay, same thing here. We might get ballsy and just take this break below low. I'm just trying to be a little cautious here, bro, for the first trade of the day. I got 2 in me, so let's see what we can do. It's like 200. It's going to be 0.6 for me. Okay, market's open, and we broke above highs here. Yeah, we're already sweeping highs first, which means I really want to give us that better entry if we start to break below lows. As far as a buy goes, I mean, definitely need to wait for newfound structure here. As far as these highs that we were talking about, we have like a 50-point range, bro. Damn near. Yeah, we'll give it some time. Let's see what happens the first 5 minutes. It's because it's my birthday on Wednesday. God, everybody's fucking birthday's in June, bro. It's insane. Well, happy birthday. Happy 21st. Hopefully your parents take you out to a strip club or something fun, Paul. Paul, we need to celebrate on Wednesday and win on the charts. Yeah. Yeah, facts. He must have not heard what I said. Party, how do you celebrate profits? Well, me, property, bro. I celebrate profits through property. Wow, did we just sweep these lows? We did, and now coming back towards them. I don't take rebreak of lows without newfound structure though, y'all. So like if this candle turns bullish, great. Then we'll go ahead and take the break below these lows. But if not, I don't like if an area violates though, like right now. Look, we're finally starting to have opposite correlation with indices, which I fucking personally love. These are the markets I'm used to, is when they're not going the same direction. I wish Luca was here so we'd have a whole fucking conversation about it. 57 years young, brother. Y'all better wish me a happy Father's Day. That is my birthday for real. Daz is flying. What the fuck? Yeah, bro. It's sending it. For sure. And bread and butter setup already failed, so this is kind of crazy. One thing to note here. I mean, I don't take previous session highs, but we just killed Asian highs here, bro. Pretty much here. Let me put it up this way. We just killed Asian highs, bro. So it makes you wonder if this will be a grab and just pull backwards or continue onwards. Get ready here, y'all. As much as I don't want to get a little aggressive in this weak-ass range, like I might pop us in a little bit before those highs just to kind of set us up a little bit better, you know? Be cautious here. I'll let you know when I get in, so there's no need to jump the gun or anything. Just follow me. 1 to 2 R Nas, let's fucking go. Sheesh. I know you're gonna be sending that to my fucking to my shit. Wow, it's sending it right now, brother. Holy hell. And same thing I was talking about. Nas, bro. Ever since Nas pulled out of that lower high, like it's been doing its thing, and US 30's been fucking doing nothing at all. US 30's been making me nervous to get in this such simplistic setup. I mean, we have higher time frame bias with us. We're currently reacting up at 30-minute support. Obviously, we have volume on our side. Kind of getting a third trend line tap. It's more so on the, whoops. Oh, what is this? Hold on. It's more so like a 1 minute time frame. Why does it keep doing that? What the fuck? There we go. But we're getting that third reaction to it now, and getting the rejection. Probably looks around 1 minute. I don't trade 1 minute, but I'll still just check it out for a second. So it's a clean setup, bro. It's just like every time fucking US 30 looks like it's about to pick its direction, it just fucking sends it the opposite way. But don't count on me not to execute, bro. We're shooters out here. So as soon as we break ability side, let's go ahead and hop into this US 30 sell or buy. Nas is fucking gone, brother. Wow, that's incredible. Don't mind the reaction from this area, like 40 seconds before candle closes too. Wouldn't that be nice for this next candle to open up, give us some type of bottom wick, and then just send it from this point? Let's go, bro. We're in there. Q Banks in longs US 30. Hell yeah, bro. We'll be right behind him here soon. Okay, rejection. Next candle open up. We got the bottom wick. As soon as it flips, we'll get in. We couldn't ask for a better setup here, brother. 0.6 all across the board too. Fire. Wow, Nas. Nas is fucking... Holy shit, dude. Since open, Nas has pushed 140 points. Big eye for me. Big eye for me. What do you mean, John Paul? Like a big if? For big L. What'd you take? What did you take, bro? Oh my god, this looks so fucking good if we can fucking reverse now. This is getting me really, really excited. News in 10? No. About to be news in 15, brother. That's why we're trying to get in now, or just hold off till after news. Brother. There's a fat position. And now that we have these lows violated, I hate fucking putting up both positions at once, but best believe, bro, I'm definitely down to take this sell off too. Whatever happens first, we'll give it a shot. I don't even know what's going to stop Nas at this point. Probably just to grab these highs at least, and then from that point, I'll at least get a little bit of kickback. So if you guys are in Nas buys, think about potentially taking some bread once you take out these major highs coming up. No way in hell it doesn't take him out. Oh, it already does. It's already there. Holy fuck, bro. Holy shit. I got stop loss. I got clicked in US 30 buys. Fuck my life. Unbelievable. Yeah, what's frustrating about that is I literally told you guys not to get in, so I told you to get in. You know, maybe at the highs it would get it, but we just one day you guys will listen. QBank longs. Do you increase risk based off trade setup, or you run same risk on all trades, bro? And I'll be honest with you, I've thought about potentially executing risk based upon confluence. You know, like let me show you. I ain't got nothing going on right now. You know, let's say we were going to risk 6K on a trade. Okay, let's just say 6K for a full trade. But it doesn't have two candle structure 5K. It doesn't have this 4K. It doesn't have this 3K. It doesn't have this 2K. It doesn't have this 1K. But then again, I would never take a less than 3 confluence trades. So it would be like risking anywhere between 3 to 6K per trade. You know, 1,500 to 3K per trade based upon confluence. But there's so much data to come into making a decision like that I'm sure I just have to go back and I have all the fucking data in the world. But no, as of right now, just simply the same amount of risk per trade, regardless of what the setup is. As I've been using a 50-point stop loss, just from the markets being so crazy. Honestly, I think I've been a little more back and forth than I usually am with risk and shit. But just new territory, bro. You know, if I have all my data is based off of a 25-point stop loss, and I'm using a 50, 80, 150-point stop loss we had a couple weeks ago, like, it's just different for sure. Sam and I miss Nas. Yeah, bro, Nas is super cooking, bro. Like, is US 30 gonna do this again? You know, fucking hell, bro. US 30 really gonna do this again? Salva, by the way, I saw your messages, bro. Don't think I didn't, brother. I'm just fucking busy, my brother. I'll get to you though for sure, 1,000%, my brother. I see everything. Then for any of you guys, and I hate to say this, but if I always know it's on my phone, bro. So I'm always on my phone. So if you message me and I don't message you back within a day, that's not like I didn't see it, so message me again. I definitely saw it, bro. I'm probably just doing something. Okay, this is gonna be the trade then, I guess. We're just gonna push to lows. If we get taken out something viciously, put your risk to like 40 points, y'all, just in case we need a little bit of variable. Because we have our median of price. As soon as we push below these low, it's gonna be right at SL. You know what it is. So give yourself a little bit of room to breathe. We're so close. But fool me can't get fooled again. All right, I got a little ballsy and put a sell stop in there just so I don't fucking miss on both of my accounts. I'm gonna delete this buy stop here on NAS or US 30 for now, and then same shit. I'm gonna put a sell stop in just so I don't miss it. Don't shoot me in the foot now, bitch. Okay. Let them cook. And same shit. If we push up the highs, we'll, whatever one, bro. We're here. I'm just gonna go ahead and full screen this. We're gonna get off of NAS just because we're obviously not taking NAS today. And yeah, bro. Fake out city. Is that what they call this? Fake out city? I ain't got time to put even numbers again. All right, make sure you guys are ready for this, bro. Regardless of what happens, we're definitely getting this better entry, so we're not gonna wait for highs. As soon as we break above this high right here, we'll get in. Nasty range. And then from here, bro, like we're 15 minutes from news, so it's like this is it, man. It's gotta get me in now, or we have to wait for fucking news type shit. We're definitely not trying to start the week with a no trade day. I don't care to, but I definitely don't want to. US 30 left mouse. I'll pick a side. Come on, bro. What's new? Are y'all in? We're yeah, bro. We're in these buys right here. We got in somewhere down near London Lows. Lucas, Lucas. Are you Luca or Lucas? Luca's awake right now? What the fuck? He's on YouTube right now? I didn't even know Luca traded New York session, to be honest with you. Nah, he's not on. Who are you talking about, bro? Ryan said he just started today. Nah, I'm looking at his page right now, fam. He's not on. I have buy stop and sell stop in, by the way, y'all. Like it's here. I gotta stop putting that fucking thing up. But as soon as we break above these highs or below these lows, get into the trade. He started today, I believe, on his Discord. Oh, okay. It's private. Text him. Nah, bro. I don't want to join his private group. We got what we got going on here. Hell yeah. Guaranteed if he gets into the trade that we get into, he'll win. But unfortunately, guaranteed if he doesn't get into the trade that we get into, he's probably gonna lose, bro. Just kidding. I'm gonna go feed my other dog. Give me a sec. I got buy stops and sell stops in, so if I hop back and we're in the trade and you didn't get in, it's on you, bro. I'm gonna be back in like 15 seconds, though. It's not that crazy. Make me feel. Appreciate all 4 to 5 of you guys for showing up. Make sure you guys like the stream. If we get up to a certain amount of likes, I don't know what it is, but probably where you're already close to, I'm going to do a giveaway. I have free reigns to give away accounts every day if I want to now. So as long as you guys participate, we'll just be giving away accounts every day. You feel me? News in 14 minutes. Yeah, like really, really close, bro. Like, yeah, if this doesn't happen like in the next like minute, right now in this minute, I'm gonna go ahead and exit these stocks, bro. I'm tired of fucking waiting for this shit. We're not gonna trade outside of news, and we don't trade 15 minutes before news. And we're right at the cusp, you know. I'm trying to get us in, but it is what it is, my brother. Do or die right here. Break it or catch me not outside. Oh my god, so close. Still not in yet. Tell me not. That's the closest fucking shit, bro. The littlest bit lower and we're in. Let me see if my other account is in. No. Who's in this thing? John Paul's in. Uh-oh. The force is on your side, brother. Hopefully. The force is almost on your side. Get me in this, dude. Below 50% news, negative. 14 minutes still. Chill, bro. But when it's a good time to increase, oh, okay. Q banks and longs. Do you increase? I agree. Sometimes that's a risk because he's set up playing out. Chill, bro. When it's a good time, increase the trade from 1% to more. Are y'all in trade? No. It's all right if you guys are. I just didn't tap me in yet. The little is a bit lower. I'm ready to cook. You put 42065. 42053.71. 42053.71, bro. It's a solid trade. There's no reason to not be in it. It's just kind of, you're getting a little cooked here, brother. It's okay. You're getting a little cooked here. And there's 10 minutes before open. What is 1 minute looking like? Just a little minor retracement. Sitting at median almost. And median the price is all the way up here, to be honest with you, John. So, like, I would be pretty close to hard stop loss, fam, here. Just saying. Like, I wouldn't go beyond, like, your median of price is double the risk, which you don't want to play with, you know? Like, I don't know. You do whatever you want, bro. You're already 2 trades deep, so. All right, fuck it. Let's get it. Okay, I'm in with you guys. Let's get it. Grab my camera. Yo, what a fucking rocket. Holy shit, brother. Holy fucking shit, dude. Make sure you guys put your stops to B, regardless of what the fuck you got going on. And then from this point, if it came all the way back up to B, who cares? I ended up pulling out half of my position on my bigger account, just being fucking soft, but that's not true. I just wanted it for, I need a good fucking reel today, bro. Yo, big dubs in the chat, baby. Let me put a dub in the chat for myself. Good job, guys. Proud of you. Big dubs in the chat, bro, from everybody. Fucking hell, this bitch is fucking sending it. It's making my scalp itch. Yeah. I'm sitting up 1620 on this account, 1320 on this account, whatever screen it is. Oh my god. That's what the fuck I'm talking about, bro. Jesus Christ, bro. If you guys haven't pulled out any yet, make sure you do here soon. Jesus fucking Christ, my brother. Make sure you do soon. TP is coming up really, really, really rapidly here. Wow. Alright, I'm pulling out here in full, y'all. I'm done. 3,300 bucks. Secure. Thank you. Moving on. Fuck, we needed that shit. I closed at break even? Oh, you gotta feel the fuck out of that, my brother.
Nah, not to break
I wouldn't
even.
have, if you, I think we hit stop loss up here. If you closed there, I wouldn't have been mad at you. But
Dude, I lost 600 in the first
you
trade.
gotta feel that, my brother. It's gonna be a tough day for you. It's all good though. We'll get you taken care of, bro. Full TP, baby. Yeah.
No, I got my shit back. Thank God. Yeah, I lost 650. I just got 950 back.
If anybody has any buy stops or sell stops, make sure you remove them, including myself. If you have a any buy stops in, remove it, bro. Good job. Nice style hair, bro. Green today for all. Something like that. You still use MT5? How didn't they ban? You still use MT5? How didn't they ban U.S. clients? Yeah. So, yeah. So, all right. Listen, brother. Zillicock. Let's get into this real quick. I feel like I speak about this all the time, but it's good for you to understand and shit. So, let's just say about a year and a half ago. Okay. MetaQuotes is the actual business that runs MetaTrader, and they're heavily protect their name, just like TradingView does. Way more dubs in the chat, bro. We have two people putting dubs, bro. I'll fucking leave this bitch. And so, medical. Thank you, Sky save you guys, bro. And so, there's a lot of unregulated brokers that operate with U.S. clients, and they simply just want to save their ass and have a clear name, just like TradingView. And so they started ripping their MetaQuotes license from all of these brokers, not because they're out of a compliance or anything, just simply because they're not U.S. regulated. Ripping them, ripping them, ripping them, ripping them, ripping them. Okay, there's no illegal things going on. They didn't. You're not allowed to trade within the U.S., but there's a lot of stipulation to be able to do so. Whatever. Anyways, going into this broker here, they are a regulated broker. It's just not a U.S. regulated broker. They're regulated in Austria and Australia, and so in order for them to get MetaQuotes, it costs money and shit, and he has to go through these set lists of meetings and blah 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 blah. But no, we're trading real MT5. You can deposit if you would like as well. The link is down in the description, and come trade MT5 too, bro. I'll give my motherfucking left nut for MT5, bro. I'm not saying that TradeLocker isn't better. I get that it's the new tool, and although it was not optimized a year ago, let's keep it a buck with ourselves. It's fucking incredible now, dude. It's doing it's a very smooth platform. So I'll stop throwing shade on it, but still, MetaTrader is by far godlike for sure. What's their name? Send me a link. The link is in the description, my brother, but I don't know. Oh, you guys can't send links, but I can. I got you. Player. Ball out with D-Will. Appreciate you, ball out with D-Will. Yo, what's up, uncle? I started 100K challenge. Lost 100K challenge. Lost 2 times in US 30. Now down like 2K. What's up, fam? Listen, Jose. Don't be calling me uncle, bro. I'm fucking 29 years old, dude. All right? I have fucking aqua hair, bro. I'm not a fucking uncle. What's up, B. Russo? How you doing, brother? It's kind of crazy. You have your camera. I just wasn't sure if you cared or not or whatever. So just saying hi. He's like, fuck no, I don't want my camera on. It's all good, bro. Yeah, what's up, Uncle Lee? Thanks. Yeah, bro. We tried to go for a green, and we came here. So I'm gonna have to go get it professionally done now. My bad. At work. Oh, you good, bro? Chill. Bro looks turned into a trans lady overnight. My bro said, yo, look at Botero told you, bro. It's disrespectful ass bitch. Look what he said, bro. He said, hold on. He said, you look like you're... No, I can't read that out loud. I can't. Hold on. Let me look at the other one. That's super racist. I'll read the other one, though, as appropriate for this. He said, yo, Ash, get off my shit, bro. Get off my stream, bro. He said, or like you're going to stand outside of a steakhouse and promote the vegan diet. Bro said, you look like you're going to attend a BLM protest. Oh, shit, it's fucking disrespectful, bro. Fairly hot pants, bro. That's what my girl said last night. She said, you Cosmo looking motherfucker, bro. Oh, shit. That shit's crazy. Guess I gotta stick to it even though I'm in drawdown. Bro, you're gonna be in drawdown for the rest of your life, fam. You have to accept that shit now. Don't put the stipulations on like, man, if I start this 100K account and I win the first 2 trades, like we're fucking good, we're straight. But if I lose the first, is what always fucking happens. We're just gonna fucking blow it. Like, I've been through that for a very long time as well, bro. You're simply gonna be in drawdown for the rest of your life. So, suck it the fuck up, big dog. Come on, uncle. Emmett praised the chakras and nerves before a training session. Now, I did that well before the aqua hair, my brother.
You got me crying, bro.
Oh, that shit's crazy. Nas came right back down, dog. Down. Let me see. Yeah. My students, if you know, you know, but what is this, students? What's usually going to happen from this point? Students. Caught that, so Maldonado. Maldonado. I used to, listen, bro, Jardir. I used to have a boss named Oliver Maldonado. I think I've already asked you this like a year or two ago, but are you related to him? That dude was a dick, bro, so I hope he raised a nicer kid than he was. Whipsaw. Yeah, man. Emmett praised the chakras. Fuck you. How come he don't sound like he crying? Let's see the hair. Look at the undertones too. She kind of fucked me up, bro. You see the Do you see the white or the orange in it or the whatever the fuck in it? What the fuck did you do to your? It's AI, bro. You guys think I'd really dye my fucking hair? I found this really cool. It's a filter. What color do you want me to turn it next? I can do it right now. AI don't do that shit? Whatever, bro. Stay stuck in the past then, bro. Blessed to be part of the Zen family. Kazuntake. Pink. I got you, bro. Here, let me type it into the... Oh, shit, their service is down right now. We can do it later, bro. Happy with today's trade. Lost 650, win 1070. Yeah, G shit. John Paul, where you at, bro? I know you fucking annoyed as a motherfucker right now. You can call me afterwards so we can vent, big dog. You know I'm here for you, player. He's calling you now. He's like, get the fuck off the stream, bro. Happy Pride, bro. I'll get up off this bitch, bro. Quit playing. Drawdown is like having a girl and cheating. Drawdown is like having a girl and cheating. It's terrible, bro. I don't think that is. Drawdown is like having a girl and she's cheating on you. You know? But then you realize in the end, if you hold through the drawdown, you're better off. Because the next girl is in the profit. It's a terrible analogy, bro. I think you gotta go somewhere else with that. Retest breakout area. Yeah, alright, anyways. Let me go look at how many likes we got and shit. I think the max I hit here was like 50. Mark my words, let me tell you guys now, because we got all the way up to 118 last month, was the biggest stream I've ever had. And then god damn, bro. Doesn't that fucking hurt? And then I held that shit for like a whole week, and then I'm not gonna lie, bro. I went like ghost, fam. Like I went hella ghost and started vacationing and shit and fucked it up. It's my fault. But we're back. We're going harder than ever, and statistically, which is kind of cool. Does any of my students know? Let me ask you guys first. Statistically, do you guys know my best 2 months of the year? Anybody here? Marcus should. Paul, maybe. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Bo's on top of it. Yeah. June and July, bro. June and July are statistically my best months. So it's the best time to be within ZenLab for sure. So when I say statistically, I'm speaking about the last 4 years of data. Progressively, June and July have been the best months. I mean, more so June than July for all 4 years, but that's kind of legit. Oh, a lot of you guys know. Good job, Cassandra. I feel like you said that afterwards or whatever, bro. Yeah, June and July. So anyways, that's why I need to pass this town summer. Yeah, so for sure. Like I said, I fucking want US 30 to get out of this, bro. Seriously. If we can get out of this area and start to show that this high is indeed holding. But I'm going back to my bot. I genuinely believe that we are within the crash. Genuinely. And I think once we break above these highs, I have to remove myself from that bias. This is straight speculation. But if we continue lower from this point, I've seen this a million times over, bro. The manipulation at these major swing points. And then when it does happen exactly like this, for all you head and shoulder traders out there, the push up for that 100% retracement, so many sell orders sitting right here, bro, for those 100%, because it yields the best R to R coming all the way down to new lows. Okay? They end up getting some good traction. They fucking fail. We take them out right away. Look what happens when we take out all the stop loss here from this 100% retracement. Immediate pushback in the range. That fails as well. Even caught me up at this point because I'm like, okay, shit. Like, we're probably going to continue higher. Then what do we take out when we hit this point? The major fucking point, bro. That's when we took out the lower high and price sent it from this point. You can only imagine how many sellers are sitting up here at this area. And now that we've came back up to kind of retest that area, the fact that we didn't break above these highs, it's a belief. So I'm not gonna, I don't fucking trade based off of that and shit. We trade off of technicals, but I'm telling you, bro, if we can start to break below this like 41,500 level, expect a lot of bearish momentum to follow these next couple weeks. And I wanted to give you guys statistics as well as far as things go. Statistically, the market falls 3 times faster than it retraces. The market impulses 3 times quicker than it retraces for the most part. And so, like, seeing that this shit took, like, I think it was like a week to happen, right? A week to happen. I thought for sure this was going to retrace for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. The 10th to the 10th. It's been a whole fucking month of retracing though. But yeah, anyways, just kind of bring you guys into what I'm looking at and such. Even though this is disgusting territory, even though it's chopped all shit, I still do understand where I expect price to go. And same thing on the top side when I have to remove my bias. Bro, we start to break above these highs here. Just expect extreme bullish momentum as we start to make our way up to all-time highs yet again. That's all I'm saying. No, way before. Anyways, big dubs in the chat for all of you guys. I'm going to do it for you. Don't worry about it. I got you guys. And appreciate you guys for showing up. Again, we're on our road to 100 concurrent again. And then that's it. We'll not see anybody on YouTube tomorrow. So if you guys want to catch me live every single day, you have to join my fucking group. Beast, please send them the link if you can send them the link. Obviously, send them your link. And then, yeah, bro, come on in, motherfucker. $65 a month. You get to watch me do this shit every single day. Not just breakdowns, but the actual trading itself, the execution, looking at my account, all the good shit. All right, I'm out of here. Everybody take care. And as always, if you need a funded account, you're trying to trading challenges, you need to trade real money, well, now you got all the fucking tools. You got me to take all my trades. They're handsome. They're a part of Light Skin Magic, activity. And then also, you can get a funded fucking account so you don't have to take the challenge. It's just a win-win on top of a win-win. Because there's only 2 things that we do here. We either win or we win. All right, everybody take care. I'm out this bitch. Goodbye. Sky, goodbye. Paul, goodbye.